In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Salesforce password. 5 minutes. If you're an admin or have the permission to reset user passwords in Salesforce, this walkthrough will show you exactly what to do and what to expect. We're using the Lightning experience, and the process is quick, but there are a few small details that will help you avoid hiccups. Start by signing in to your Salesforce org. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon. From that menu, choose Setup. Depending on your layout, this may appear as Advanced Setup, but it takes you to the same administrative area where you can manage users and settings. Inside Setup, you'll see a search field labeled Quick Find on the left. Type users into that box. Then select users from the results to open the full user list. This list can be filtered and searched, so if you have a large org, use the search field or adjust the list view to quickly locate the person who needs help. Find the correct user, then open the action menu next to their name. It's usually a small arrow or drop-down icon on the right side of the row. From that menu, select Reset Password. Salesforce will prompt you to confirm. Click Reset to proceed. After you confirm, Salesforce sends a password reset email to the address on that user's record. The message includes a secure link that lets them set a new password. Remind the user to open the most recent email, as multiple reset requests will invalidate earlier links. The link typically expires after a short period for security reasons, so they should complete the reset promptly. If they don't see the email, have them check spam or promotions folders and ensure their mailbox isn't blocking Salesforce messages. A couple of helpful notes. Resetting a password will also unlock a user who has been locked out after too many failed attempts. If the reset option is grayed out or missing, you may not have the necessary permission, or the user might be inactive. Also confirm that the user's email address is correct and active, since the reset relies on that mailbox. If your org uses multi-factor authentication, the user may be prompted to verify their identity after setting a new password. That's it. You've triggered the reset, and Salesforce takes care of the rest by emailing the user a secure link. Once they set a new password, they can sign in as usual. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this tutorial if you need a quick refresher the next time someone needs a password reset.